All right, guys, what's up? Coming at you with another video. Today's adventure is going to be kayak fishing. Let's see what kind of fish we get on. Some trout, some jacks maybe, hopefully a tarpon. So we got the kayak. Leaving out of Biscayne Park. It's nice and flat today. Look at that water. All right, let's get on some fish. I got my boy over here, Miami Guggen. Hopefully we catch some fish. All right, y'all stay tuned. Let's get on some fish. Looks like we got late to the party. Right there, Jeff. He's already been out there. Let's go ahead and get on him. Got the yaks in the water. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're fishing on the kayaks. Got Project Rio right there. Miami Guggen on the other side. All right, let's get on some fish. Right now it's a super, hey, look at this. Nice and flat. We got a live mullet. Start trolling a little bit. Right there, you can see it. Yeah, let's go ahead and get on some fish. Alright, guys. We got a little paddle tail. Just trying to get on some sea trout. Like to rid it nice and slow. Steady. Let's see if we get on some sea trout. Seem to be around right now, but I'm pretty sure we'll find them. Just gotta scatter the whole area, scout the area. I'm sure we'll find them. Move up a little bit more in the area. They have to be around. Thought I had a little hit there because it's the seaweed, seagrass. All right, so today is a little gloomy out, but it feels nice. Not too much sun. Feels really nice out. Let's see if we can get a nice little sea trout on here. They don't really seem to be around today. Probably scattered. We just gotta find the little school where they're at. Once we find them, there should be a lot in the same area. They like to hang out together. Usually once you find one, you find a few. I think I got one. I got one. I thought I hit the grass. I got one. Let's see. I think it's one. Let's see what it is. Oh no. So you got a lizard fish. Come on, these things. I know we all hate these, but I actually think they're pretty cool looking. Actually, pretty cool looking fish though, if you ask me. Pretty sick looking fish. Look at that. Alright, buddy. Alright, trouts, where y'all at? Come on. Got a nice little juicy paddle tail for you. Oh, there you go. There you go. There, I got one. Got one. Here we go. First one. Small one. Nice. Look at that. Inhaled it. Beautiful little sea trout. First one. Let's take that out. Look at that. Beautiful Biscayne Bay sea trout. Or speckled trout. The cool little teeth they have in front. This guy has one fang. Nice little trout. Alright, guy. Thank you. Nice. First fish. Alright, we got our first sea trout. So we should find some more now. They should be stacked together. See if we can get a little bigger one. Oh yeah. All right, Jeff just got one now, so we should be finding them now. Tell you what though, they're not very thick today. They're in different locations today. We gotta probably follow the. Remember you tried the other side?
I was about to tell you, let's go back to the flat over there, but they're biting here. I don't want to move for
You can try the side right here. Remember you tried that side last time?
Yeah, so,
Oh, I got one. Oh, I had one. All right, switch up my favorite rod right here, my lucky rod, and see if we get some fish. This is my lucky rod right here. I always catch fish with this rod. So let's see if it brings the luck. I switched to my lucky rod, so let's see if we got some fish now.
funny you say that. I broke the tip on mine. Like,
Oh no. And this one I need to fix one of the guides. There's no guide on it. Yeah. Yeah. These are like fishing for bass. You want to have little light stuff.
yeah, it's just too heavy for anything.
Yeah.
Get one more cast, if not, let's change.
That's good for the live mullet. So I'm never usually really off on Fridays. So I guess the trout don't come out on Friday. Last time I was here, it was back to back. I guess they don't come out on Fridays. So now I know. Usually off Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, you know, middle of the week or the beginning of the week. All right, there you go. Got one. Got one. Got one. Smaller one again. I'll take it. I will take it. See trout in the Miami background. Guess no better than that. Look at that. Little small one. Second one. Relax, buddy. Relax. All right, I got you. Look at that. This one got two fangs on him. Like a vampire. All right. Thank you, buddy. Take care. All right, let's get on to the next one. All right, there you go. Oh, gosh, lost him. I got to hit it. Right there you go. Oh, hit it again. Hit it twice. Oh, God, he came off. Tried it again. He hit it twice. All right, I think I found him. Oh, there. Oh God, they're hitting it. Damn, kid's missing it. Man, two whacks back to back. All right, I think I found one. It's a nice one. It's a real nice one. Look at that. All right, buddy, relax. It's a really nice one. Look at this beautiful trout. He swallowed it. Gosh, I was hungry. I don't have my pliers right now. All right, came off easy. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Oh, relax. All right. Beautiful trout. Look at that. Nice. All right, buddy. Thank you. There we go. Small jack. Look at this little guy. Smash that up bien. Alright, hold on, buddy. I'll get you off. Look at that. Little jack. There goes that lure. Alright, he destroyed it. I'll put a new one. There's a lot of mullet around here. I just caught a small jack. Yeah. Alright, I got a fish. Oh, nice sea trout. Whoa, yeah. Beautiful sea trout right here. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Look at this. This is how we do it right here. Beautiful sea trout.
There you go.
Let's check it out. Hold on. All right, here we go. Hold on, buddy. Oh, look at that.
Nice one. Nice one.
Look at this.
All right.
Swallowed the lure. Let's get that out. Hold on. Let's get it out of there. All right. Yeah, guys. So we're out here. Ah, he bit me. All right. I got pliers. So let's see if I can pop it out. Let's see. All right. He's biting me. Hold on 1 second, dude. Sorry. All right. I got it right here. Put me right here.
Check it out, guys. Check it out. Check it out. Woo! Nice one. All right. That's how you do it. You got that one trolling, right?
Beautiful sea trout.
There you go. There you go.
Let's check it out. Hold on. Here we go. Hold on, buddy. Oh, look at that.
Nice one, man. Nice one.
Look at this.
All right.
Swallowed the lure. Let's get that out. Hold on. Yeah, guys, so we're out here. Ah, he bit me. I got pliers.
You want them? You need them?
Let's see if I can pop it out. Let's see. Biting me. Hold on 1 second, dude. Sorry. Alright. I got it. Right here. Want me right here?
All right, man. Nice. Let me get a picture. Hold on. Put it back up.
Hold on, it's on the first. Alright. Yeah. I got a fish. I was trolling. I got one. All right, here it comes. Here we go. I was trolling a little swim bait. Got hit. Look at that. Wasn't too bad today. Caught like 4 or 5. Look at that. All right, about to start calling it soon. Gotta go. Yeah, here was another sea trout. One for the books. See if we can get a little release. I haven't had any release videos yet. Let's see if I get this one. All right, bye. Nice. Nice one. Oh, there we go. Another one. Here we go. By the end of the day, starting to catch them now. Look at that. Guess no better than this. Got a Miami background. We're catching trouts. Decent. That's small. Decent. Let's go ahead and take this off. All right, here we go. Beautiful. Bye, buddy. Got one. Got one. That's a nice one. Oh, it came off. Oh, he came off right there. Yeah, he jumped. Oh, man, he hit it. Bro, as soon as I came back, he hit it. Or I don't know if it was him. Or, it got hit right after. No way. It got hit right after that. That was nuts. Wow. Can't believe that happened.
There's a nice one here too.
All right, you got a nice one. Look at that. Oh, it started biting now. Look at that. Guggen. Miami Guggen got one on. That's a nice one.
Nice.
Beautiful one. And Jeff just got one on as well. Let's see if we can get a triple up. No. Came off. Oh.
Perfect.
Came off right at the boat. Perfect release.
Yep.
He's got another hit right now. He got another one on. Let's see if we get a quick triple up. As we're about to leave, call it a day.
Yo, look, even the thing got hit.
We're getting hit back to back now. We're getting hit back to back now. All right, let's see if we get one on right now. Got one. Yeah. All right, I got one. See if this one stays on. All right, here we go. Nice. Oh yeah. Come here, little buddy. I got you. All right. All right, guys. Like I said in my previous videos, that you can keep them. It's 3 per person. I believe it has to be 17 inches. 15 inches or 17 inches. You can keep one over 19, I believe. That's how it is. But yeah, but we're not keeping any. This is just for the hobby and for the fun. All right, buddy. Take care. All right, Jeff is on one now. See if we can get him a little video of him on. He got one there. You have one? All right, there we go. There you go. That's a nice one. That's a really nice one. Probably the biggest one today. Feels really good. That's probably the biggest one today. From the Papa. Alright, that's a nice one. It's a nice trout right here. This is a really nice trout. Alright, come here. Yes, sir. That is a beauty. That's a beauty right here. That's a big boy. Relax, buddy, relax. Alright. Let's see if we can get him. It's a really nice one right here. Beautiful. And he's on one as well. Got a double up real quick. Look at that beautiful trout. All right, this is a really nice one right here. Whoa, he swallowed it. Should have really swallowed the lure. All right, so we can get that off without him biting me. So we can get this off. Man, the guy was hungry. He swallowed it completely. All right. I have to pause this for a second. All right, I got it out. Look at that beautiful sea trout. Way to end the day. All right, guys. We'll be calling it in a few minutes. Maybe catch one more and we go. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Until next time. All right, little sea trout. Let's see if we can get a little release. All right, guys, this concludes the video. Got my last sea trout of the day. It was a really nice one. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Until next time, let's go get a quick release on this guy. See if we can get it underwater. 1 second. All right, here we go. Let's try this. Let's see if I can get this.